Hi, in this video we will explore sharing a grid or topic with your students. The way you share Flipgrid is the same whether or not you're sharing the actual grid, which is like the house, or the topic, which is the individual room. So if you're in your My Grid section, here's that demo grid that we've been playing around with. So you'll see here this little airplane is the share grid option. So you can click on that and you have a couple different options that pop up. So the first one we're going to talk about is with the code. So you could post this code and then students can enter it. And this works on an iPad or on a Chromebook or any other device. So I'm just going to copy this code. And in this tab, I've already gone to flipgrid.com and you'll see right here at the top it says enter your code. So I can paste in that code and it will take me right to my demo grid. And so now kids can just click on the topic and they can start to record their video. So that's the first way you can share. You can share with this code. The second way you can share is by sharing the actual link. So if I want to copy this link, I could copy this link and I could paste it anywhere that my kids are used to going. So maybe you are using Seesaw with your kids. So you can just click on the plus sign and I want to send, oops, not an announcement. I want to post to the student journal and I want to post a link. And I'm going to paste that link in. And it gives me all the same Seesaw options I'm used to. And I want this to go to everybody so all my kids can see it. Doesn't need a folder right now. But now it's uploading. And there's the link. It'll eventually show that image. And then students can click on it from Seesaw, which is where they might be used to going. And then it opens it up for them. So that's another way. The same thing it would work if you use Schoology. You can add materials and choose to add the link. So I'm going to choose my link option. I'm going to paste that link in and I'm going to give it a title, Flipgrid. And I can go ahead and click add. And so now when my students log into Schoology, I've pasted this Flipgrid in. They would click where it says Flipgrid. And it would open up that grid for them to see. And then they could click on the topic there and record. So if I go back to my Flipgrid admin tab, we have used the URL to share, and you can share this anywhere that your kids might go. We've used this code if you want them to enter in the code. And another way that you can share it is with the Google Classroom integration. So down here at the bottom, you see the little classroom icon. I can click on it, and it's going to pop up the same interface that you normally use when you're sharing anything to Classroom. So first I need to pick a class. So I'll pick this demo class. And then you're going to pick an action. What do you want to post this as in Classroom? An assignment, a question, or an announcement? I'll just choose it as an announcement. I can click go. And this is what you're used to seeing in Classroom. It tells me which classes I'm going to share it with. And so now if I wanted to share it with more than one, I can click through there. Do I want it to be for all students? I need to give it some kind of a title. You can add the topic there if you want, and then you can post it. And then you have the option to view it. And so it will open up your classroom. Here is what was posted. The kids could just click on that link there and it'll open up their grid. So Flipgrid is very easy to share. You can share with the URL, you can share with the code, you can share it straight to Classroom, and then the final option I wanted to share with you is the QR code. If your kids are used to scanning QR codes for anything, if you click QR code, then you can click on that code, download it, print it out, post it somewhere in your class, and your kids can scan and begin recording. So there's multiple ways that kids can access your grid and your topic, and it's really easy to integrate with other tools that you might already be using.